Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to do verification of age in WordPress. First, let's go to Plugins and press Add New. Here, let's search for AgeGate. Press on Install Now on this plugin. After the install, press on Activate. Go to AgeGate Restrictions. Here we have a lot of options like default age, type of valid age. Also, we can enable the Remember Me checkbox. Let's go now to messaging. Here we can add the messages we wish to appear on the age limitation page. We can check also appearance and do some styling so we match the colors to our site. Now let's see how it looks, the age verification. We will open our site in incognito mode. That's really nice. You can also select other type of validation. Let's see how it looks, the other validations. First, the drop-down boxes. And now the input fields. That's quite nice. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye!